The FEIERDUN adjustable dumbbells have become a cornerstone of my home gym setup, and for good reason. From the moment I unboxed the pair, priced attractively at $99.99, it was clear that this set wasn't just another run-of-the-mill weight solution. Touted as a 4-in-1 multifunctional dumbbell set, the ability to transform these weights into barbells, kettlebells, and even push-up stands instantly caught my attention. In practice, I found myself seamlessly shifting from bicep curls to goblet squats to bench presses in a matter of seconds, all without having to juggle multiple pieces of equipment. For anyone with limited space but big fitness ambitions, the FEIERDUN set delivers on its promise of versatility. One of the first things that stood out was the build quality. The dumbbell plates are encased in high-quality PE plastic, yet inside they're densely filled with iron, mud, and sand. This composite design not only feels impressively solid in your hands, but it also guards against the clunky metal on floor noises that plague traditional iron plates. After several weeks of use on my hardwood floor, I still haven't seen a single scratch or scuff mark where these weights land. It's clear the manufacturer thought about the realities of apartment living when specifying materials that prevent floor abrasion. Equally noteworthy is the foam padded connector rod. At 20 millimeters thick, the high-density foam wraps around a sturdy 5 millimeters steel tube, and its gentle curve cradles the neck during chest and shoulder routines. I've found this padding to be remarkably non-slip, even during sweaty, high-rep sessions, while still feeling soft and breathable. Gone are the days of shoulders aching against unforgiving metal bars. The FEIERDUN's foam handle truly elevates comfort without sacrificing control. Speaking of control, the non-slip texture on the ABS dumbbell bars deserves special mention. The molded ridges provide a reassuring grip, allowing me to push my limits without fearing the weights might twist or wobble unexpectedly. Combined with the 4 safety nuts included in the set, this is a system engineered to keep everything locked tight, even when I'm switching plates mid-circuit. I have personally tested the sturdiness of those nuts by executing fast drop sets, and they've never once loosened. Testament to their robust threading. Assembly and reconfiguration couldn't be simpler. Each dumbbell starts at a modest 6 pounds and can be built up to 22.5 pounds per hand, with plate increments that let you fine-tune your resistance as you progress. Slotted plates slide on and off in seconds, and tightening the safety nuts takes only a quarter turn. In under a minute, I can transform 2 basic dumbbells into a 45 pounds barbell for deadlifts, or roll out the kettlebell base for Russian swings. For someone like me who hates wasting time fumbling with equipment between sets, this efficiency is a game changer. Yet no product is perfect, and feedback from fellow users echoes a few minor caveats. A handful of reviews mention that the plastic casing, while protective, can feel lighter than traditional iron and make the set appear less serious at first glance. I won't deny that these weights lack the cold heft of cast iron, but I've come to appreciate the quieter impact and reduced risk of floor damage. A few users also wished for a second kettlebell base to avoid having to swap pieces mid-workout. I understand that sentiment, and indeed, having 2 stands would streamline kettlebell transitions, though at this price point, I'm happy to compromise. Value for money is where the FEIERDUN set truly shines. With over 3,400 global ratings averaging 4.5 stars, the consensus seems to be unanimous. You get more functionality than you'd expect from a budget-friendly set. Novice lifters will love the intuitive weight progression and compact footprint, while intermediate users can appreciate the sturdy construction and comfortable handles. I've even recommended these dumbbells to friends who are postpartum or rehabbing injuries. The soft foam pads and gentle weight increments make the set accessible to a wide range of fitness levels. Customer service rounds out the positive experience. After a minor hiccup where one of my safety nuts was missing, I reached out to FEIERDUN's support team and received a replacement within 12 hours, exactly as promised in their brand support guarantee. That level of responsiveness is rare in the fitness equipment market and gives me confidence that I'm investing in a brand that stands behind its product. In summary, the FEIERDUN adjustable dumbbells hit a sweet spot between versatility, durability, and affordability. They've replaced 3 other pieces of gear in my home gym, freeing up space and simplifying my routine. Whether you're craving a quick arm blaster, a full-body kettlebell circuit, or the solid feel of barreled plates, this set handles it all with aplomb. At just under $100, It's an unbeatable value for anyone from fitness newcomers to seasoned lifters on a budget. If you're ready to level up your home workouts without clutter or chaos, these adjustable dumbbells are a no-brainer purchase. Go ahead and make the investment in your strength and convenience today. And don't forget to check the video description box below for an extra discount and subscribe for more in-depth gear reviews to keep you motivated.